안녕하세요. 웰컴 스포츠 시청자 여러분. 저는 웰컴 피닉스의 김예은 프로입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 웰컴 피닉스의 막내 김도경 프로입니다.
오늘은 세미 사이그너 선수와 특별한 시간을 가져볼 건데요. 여러 예술구와 3쿠션에 대해서 배워보도록 하겠습니다.
여러분 안녕하세요. 저는 세미 사이그널입니다. We are here for welcome and we're going to do some exhibition and some teaching sessions. Thank you.
그럼 지금부터 시작해볼까요?
Good. 구독
좋아요
알림 설정.
해주세요.
네, 세미 사이그너 선수 하면 예술구죠. 세미 사이그너 선수의 특별한 예술구를 한번 감상해볼까요? Can you show us your art shot?
No. Of course, yes.
한 번만.
Of course. Yes, I can play some shots.
네.
Maybe just to surprise the people who are watching this video, I will explain the shots and then I will play the shots, okay?
네.
Good. So, it's not really big artistic maybe, but some solution. Let's say, let's start with this one. This one is one of my favorite shot. Favorite shot, yeah. Look,
아트샷은 아니고
cue ball. Normally,
흰 공이 네 공.
너무 어려워요.
너무 어려워.
너무 어려워요. But I know, I find the shot. I ask to Dick Jaspers. You know Dick Jaspers.
Really?
How to play this shot. And Dick came and make like that.
Same. 똑같아.
And I told him, look, I know the way. Very easy. Look,
Yeah.
watch white and red ball. Look.
응? 빨간 공이었나? 빨간 공이지?
네.
오, 맞는다.
And position play.
응? 빨간 공이었나? 빨간 공이지?
네.
오, 맞는다.
And position play.
포지션.
Yes. And Dick was like
Position
that. Dick was like that. He was surprised, but this is a good shot. Good shot. And this, maybe I play here. This shot is also one of my favorites because when you're getting more age, you want to make it more simple. You know, normally young guys play okay, young guys. But if you are a little bit older, so you don't want to go around, you know, just finish the three cushion here. Look, hit, long, come back, short, long. Easy.
Is that simple?
Jumping so much, so this is the way. Look,
오. 오. 포인트.
jumping so much, so this is the way. Look,
오. 오. 포인트.
I get to learn the table, you know.
네.
So, and then I play another artistic, also one of my favorite. This one, I play this shot many times, many places, but I love it.
We are white.
White ball, yes. Normally 1, 2, 3, okay. Terolegi.
네.
But this one, red, long chunk cushion, curve, tongue cushion, chunk cushion,
장쿠션,
and squat.
오, 우와.
Draw.
우와.
오.
우와.
오.
우와. 힘이.
You see?
우와.
오.
우와. 힘이.
So,
이게 끌었어요.
and some shots like many people actually has some problems with it. Like shots like this, it's very difficult, you know. Difficult shot. But I have some solution for that. I play masse, curve, long shot, like tongue cushion, curve, chan, tan, carambol.
오케이. 마세 쌤이. 오.
우와.
오.
우와.
이점.
Easy, yeah? Easy, yeah?
이지.
And another one, I play this one. Okay, maybe it's not the best solution, but sometimes you have a problem with this. You know, you have a kiss.
네, 옆 돌리기.
Okay, kiss problem, difficult, and then I play this shot.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 헛. 힐. 오. 간다.
You see?
오케이.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 헛. 힐. 오. 간다.
You see?
오케이.
Magic.
매직.
Okay,
It's
and
the magic.
more artistic.
다르다.
Let me think.
우리 힘이 안 나올 것 같아.
This shot, also for me, one of my favorite shots. I like so much.
좋아하셔. 공을
Yeah.
많이 좋아하셔.
좋아하는 공 많아?
This one,
좋아하시는 공이 많아.
네.
normally it's, you know, like complicated. Like you cannot play because it's a big gap behind. So if you play
Yeah.
long, short, maybe not so easy to be online.
Yes,
but
right.
I played this shot in a tournament many years ago, and I hope I make it now.
오, 우와.
우와.
Good solution, right?
우와.
오, 우와.
우와.
And one more artistic. This one I play maybe later also, but this one is very difficult also.
Nothing
White
to
ball, draw.
Too close.
Yes, long, short, long, and then red ball, position play.
네?
Yes, of
너무
course.
가깝지 않아요?
너무 가까워서 못해요.
와,
어떻게 이렇게 되지?
어떻게 이렇게 끌리지?
Position. No, wait.
와,
어떻게 이렇게 되지?
어떻게 이렇게 끌리지?
Position. No, wait. Position.
포지션까지.
Akabi.
조금. 조금.
Okay, one more shot. Then I play a difficult shot. Okay. This time, very difficult. Really difficult, eh? Red ball, long, short, long, carambol. Score. Difficult, right?
예.
Can you make it? Long, short, long?
해볼만 것 같은데 이 정도는. 어? 근데 이 정도는. 어? 에이 진짜. 에이 설마.
Really? 다트.
어떻게 저렇게 하지? 우와.
우와.
뭐야?
다트.
어떻게 저렇게 하지? 우와.
우와.
뭐야?
Good.
이게 되네? 이게
오케이.
되네?
And maybe one more draw. Okay, one more draw I play.
나안
이게
돼.
난 브릿지해도 힘든데.
무거운데?
너무 안 되는데.
Maybe this one.
안 돼.
Also difficult shot. I play draw, yellow,
또
behind.
또 끊어.
에?
Draw, behind.
각도가 나오나요? Possible to make any?
I don't know. I don't know. I will check.
와, 우와.
와.
띵. 오,
Akabi.
안 되나?
Wait.
근데 저기 각도가 나온다.
되게 끌어.
I couldn't shoot the way I wanted, but now I will put it more.
핑크. 우와, 됐다.
됐다 이거.
아! 오케이.
Yeah, it was good.
브라보.
Okay, good.
우와, 됐다.
됐다 이거.
아! 오케이.
Yeah, it was dirty. Just for now, enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Ooh.
So, Sammy, can you teach us trick shot kind of this?
Trick shot.
네.
Akabi, look, when you draw, you hit.
예.
Continue.
Yes!